Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to create a welcome flow in Klaviyo. So in the dashboard, just click on flows on the left side and click on welcome series. Click on turn on and your flow has been created. Now to edit your flow, just click on the three dots on the right side. Just click edit details. Now just edit the name and create the tags. Now click on update flow and you're done. Now to edit the flow, just click on the welcome series here and it will show you the flow of your welcome series. Now you can edit it on your desire. Just click on if you want how many days for the next email to arrive and you're done. Thanks for watching.